the throw.
Good pass, boy.
Got his target. It's Ertz, the tight end, at the 50. And a first down.
They've got a lot of plays on the ball.
Last play went for 12. He's still going to run with it, even with the ribs.
Ready to get up in that first down. And he being more careful now.
By the former commander, Montez Sweat.
This defense is for real. The problem is their one Achilles heel could be the run game, and Washington's incredible at it.
Oh, he gone. He gone. He gone.
By Robinson.
Good run, good run, good run, good run.
Running behind Cosme. They go hurry up, which they do often. It's back to Robinson. Almost lost the football for a second.
Good first down. He got up in the first down.
Eckler in as Daniels forced to roll out. Takes the hit.
That's out of bounds. Good hit, good hit, good hit, good hit.
His feet were out, even though he makes the appeal. Clearly, McCaffrey was out. 19 out of 20. What a pickup early in the season. Adam Peters. That's kind of been the story for him this year.
Kid.
He's brought a lot of great players here. Last week holding Carolina to just 180 yards. 3rd and 10.
Come on, bro. You got to make those. You got to catch those, kid.
3rd and 8. Rolling out. Gonna keep it. Tries to wiggle past, and he does.
Good way to get the first down.
Fake out T.J. Edwards to pick up the first down.
I still think he's had a couple throws today, maybe the injury.
Barry was way up there. Here's 3rd and
Okay.
9 and a deep
Okay.
ball. Right back to McCaffrey. In stride.
But one thing he gonna do, boy, hey, he gonna launch that motherfucker.
Set up in the red zone. Fake the toss. Hands it off. Robinson trying to shake off the hit. Stevenson made the tackle, but was the man beaten on the previous play, able to trip up Robinson after 7 more. 3rd and goal. Rushing 3, Daniels.
Good pass. Oh, you gotta hold on to that, bro.
Seibert already having connected from 27. This is 30. Way on the hold, and he's good again.
Getting help before the snap. Hand off to the left.
See what Williams doing.
Here it goes.
Good hit, boy.
Sticks and short. This is close enough to go for it.
Strongest three, the strongest guys interior. Got to get out on the edge.
Come here. Good tackle, boy. They said, not today. Good defense, y'all.
What a stop by the Commanders.
That was a huge play in this game.
Now, Daniels. He lobs it.
Good catch.
It's Ertz. Down at the 28-yard line. As Daniels has now thrown for over 100 yards in this game. Trent Scott comes in for him. Speaking of air and space, here's Jake Daniels going to the air.
Good way to get up out of there. Good way to get up out of there.
And spins down at the 20-yard line within a couple of yards of the first. 2 running backs in. And they're handing it off to Eckler.
Good.
Got to get to the 5 for a first. 3rd and 4. Loads it up. Throws it.
Good catch, boy.
He had it. They say incomplete. This time 28. He's gone 27, 30, 28. 3 field goals shorter.
He
than
dropped the
extra
catch.
point.
I thought he had it.
Got to give Stevenson credit.
It's been only 3 completions so far in this game for Caleb. He's run it 6 times.
Caleb overrated, bro. I don't like him.
Williams.
Good sack. Come here.
Down by Louvu.
Why'd you still trying to fight? Throw that shit away.
Somehow broke that, but only lost more yardage as he tried to fight his way out of a jam.
He doing too much.
The game is kind of going to be that. Chicago's really good in the red zone on defense.
Chicago fortunate to be only 9 down as Daniels
Good pass. Good catch.
to Ertz. He himself, a quarterback in college, won the Sammy Ball Award. A little miscue here. Broken play, flags. How about 3 of them?
Right here.
Keenan Allen time.
Pass.
Come on, bro. You gotta catch those.
Incomplete, and this Commanders defense for the 2nd straight week.
They on their ass.
2nd and 14. Rushing 5.
Good way to get up out of there, boy. His escape game is crazy.
And look at this. He's going to be right
That
at
boy
the
similar
first
to
down.
Lamar with the escape
3rd
game,
and
boy.
6 from here, 55-yard field goal. Still the game without a touchdown.
Good way to get that out in time, boy.
On the mark for Ertz, and they get the first down. And then the one just taken off the board to Zacchaeus.
Extra O lineman, you can give it to him or keep it.
It's a bootleg instead.
Ooh, get up out of there, get up out of there, get up.
Behind by Sweat. High snap, kick on its way.
Good kick, boy.
17 for 17 for the year at home now.
The fourth quarter and right at the end here.
To Swift. Look at Swift. Take it to the Washington side.
Oh, he gone. He gone. He gone. He gone. Ooh, boy, good way to keep his feet in bounds. He been gone too, boy.
Watch the left tackle, Magaji right here. He's gonna pull outside and go and get
Good block.
Take out with his
Ooh.
legs. Chin, the other safety.
The way to keep his feet in bounds was crazy.
A better time for Chicago fans. Washington now fans are a little bit like, come on, we've been dominating this game.
Good balance.
To Shane Waldron, their offensive coordinator, spent a lot of time in Seattle. Knew he was going to go against the guy he saw all the time, Bobby Wagner, back in the day in practice when they were on opposite ends. The Seahawks take the handoff to Robinson down the middle.
Good pass.
And McLaurin with his second catch of the game, and look at him fight for yardage. Still squirming.
Good way to
the
get them
50.
yardage.
Daniels down.
Oh, boy. Hey. That could have been picked off just now.
This year you said at home.
51 yards. And look at this. On 3rd and 10. Commanders bring it.
Where he going?
Williams lofts it. No
What
one
he
in the
throwing
air.
into? Why I say he sucks, bro.
Otherwise, you give the Bears good field position. He's got time on the run. He throws. It's low. Is it caught? Officials say yes. McLaurin goes over.
I seen that.
100
Good catch,
yards
boy.
and adds some more right here with the catch at the 40.
That boy Caleb, I don't even think he got over 100 yards right now.
Coming after him, he was just able to get rid of him.
Ah, boy, hey, that was risky just now. That was risky.
Something in the pass game to get him going. Can't have 4 completions this late.
Swift. Look at this run.
Oh my lord, the hurdle was crazy just now. The hurdle was crazy.
In the backfield now with his 4th straight game, over 100 yards from scrimmage. We go up top for it in 2nd and 1. Wow.
Good pass.
You wanted Cole Kmet.
Damn, that's the first goddamn completion I done seen.
Comes a blitz with Wagner. Pass is afloat.
Good pass. Out of bounds.
Completion. This is incredible.
And Roshan Johnson, they like to go to short yardage. Instead, look what they do.
You got it. That's touchdown.
Ball's out, Jim.
Ball is out. The ball is out, and it's picked up by the Commanders.
Keep running. It's not blown dead.
It's Newton, and there's not a single Bear in pursuit.
Damn.
Go score. Where's Don Beebe? I don't know anything of what just happened. I know the.
I don't even know what happened.
But was he down? Giving his team a chance where it feels like there's
Oh.
check it down and be safe.
They called it back.
He's been able to overcome it.
Daniels runs for
Oh
it,
my
runs
lord.
for
Good
it.
way to, he got the first.
Put
He
that
got it first.
football out.
He did it again.
He's short. They're marking him short. 3rd and 10. Here comes the blitz. They protect
There we
him.
go. Good
He gets it
pass.
to his fellow rookie, and Odunze takes it to the Washington side of the 50.
Only looks good when they go quickly.
Here's a bootleg. Williams able to get around.
Yeah.
Armstrong. Now throws it
Oh,
across
good
the 20.
pass.
Throw. Keenan Allen to the 18-yard line. He's gonna run it again. Back-to-back plays.
Ooh, they got him. They got him. They got him. He ain't going nowhere. Good hit. Good hit. Good hit. Good
Wow,
hit.
that was on a 3rd down play too, Tony, and I see you shaking your head.
Shit, they ain't got no choice but to go for it now.
Williams looking right, goes to the end zone.
Ah, pass
There's
interference.
the flag.
Pass interference.
Keenan Allen almost didn't even have to look around, look back. He knew it. It was gonna be
Damn,
called.
come on, bro.
One-on-one here. You want to throw it? Go ahead. Put everybody in here and go.
Handoff. Johnson.
He in there.
He's
He in there.
Touchdown.
He getting bailed out. Look at Caleb Williams getting bailed out, bro. He sucks, bro. And they went for the 2. Damn.
Same thing here. Now at this point, it's whoever's open, but you got to get at least 15, 20 yards.
Daniels completes it.
Good catch.
And have to call a timeout here. Ertz has it at the 35. Just 5 seconds left.
So get up here and run an out route. Right now, throw it.
There it is, Tony. Right on your design. McLaurin out with 2 seconds. So here you go.
He's gotten hit throughout the rest of the game, and it's hurting more now.
Comes down to one last
Come on,
play.
what we about to do? What we about to do, Daniels? 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 What we about to do? What we about to do? Yo! Yo! That's crazy. That's crazy. I would have got, bro. I ain't even gonna care. I would have had to reach in the bag and get the switch. Get the switch. Everybody on the Commanders gone. Nah, I'm just fucking with y'all. Damn, that shit fell right in his hands. Talk about luck, boy. That shit fell right into his hands.
I know this sounds crazy, but there's a method to the madness here. Everyone usually goes and jumps the ball. You always put one guy
That
behind,
was smart, though.
Put one in front and have 2 or 3 go jump for it. And Daniels extending this play, and the time allowed everyone to get down there in position to go toward the ball and be in their spots.
Good block, boy.
Game, Jim.
That's crazy.
You're supposed to try and tip it behind you. See the guy in
That
front and
was
the one behind.
perfect.
In the end, off the tip, it's the easiest Hail Mary catch you'll ever
That
see.
was perfect, bro.
Not
Look,
easy to come down with it, but that was pretty easy to come down with it. Look at that, Quinn.
my take on the game, it really is supposed to be a blowout, to be honest with you. The Commanders just couldn't get in the end zone. They was getting downfield, and they was getting close to the end zone, but they just couldn't get in the end zone. Caleb Williams, trash. Caleb Williams, he trashed me, though, bro. I ain't even finna hold y'all. He trash. He overrated. Justin Fields, the same thing. The Bears, put it like this. The Bears was better off keeping Justin Fields, if you ask me. The Bears was better off keeping Justin Fields with all that talent he had. You see what Justin Fields doing in Pittsburgh. Now imagine what Justin Fields would have been able to do with the Bears. But, man, like I said, Jaden Daniels doing his thing once again, leading the Commanders to a dub.